Hello everybody, my name is Ankie Daanen and I am very happy to announce that this year there will be an online doll making school for NIADA. I will take you on an adventure for 3 days and we will make a beautiful prince. As you can see, the prince is sitting next to me. And I will learn you how to sculpt his face, how to sculpt the hands, the feet and the shoes, how to sculpt his bodice, and how to costume this lovely prince. Also, how to make the base form. I can imagine it's sometimes difficult to go on a shopping spree to find all the materials you need. Therefore, I can compose a kit for you, and I have these in different colors. A kit for the costume, but also a kit in where you will find all the materials you will need. I really love to see you in cyberspace in September, and we will work many hours during the day on creating a prince. I'm looking forward to see it. Bye.